So everything, Prabhupada also said, Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur says, should be judged by symptom. Pure devotee has got all the good qualities of the demigod and also God, little, bindu bindu. And simply doing devotional service, we can again bring back, awaken our Krishna consciousness, Krishna bhakti. And Guru is there and disciple is there. The real disciple symptom Prabhupada wrote in his book. There he says, disciple, one who is a real disciple, genuine, he becomes again Guru. He repeats what he learns from his Guru. Here is Gaur Govinda Maharaj, as all of you more familiar than me. I understand he is my god brother. When father goes away, sometimes brother, elder brother, take the position to guide. Here is Gaur Govinda Maharaj to guide us, I think. Because Jasodeva Parabhukti. He has got implicit faith. Here, Prabhupada is saying, our Guru Maharaj, যে চৈতন্য চৈতামৃত এই তার বাক্য আমি দৃঢ় বিশ্বাস ধরি. I firmly believe in the words of my spiritual master. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also said, the Guru Mare murkha dekhi korila sasan. One should remain silent. What Guru is saying, just accept it. Don't argue. He is in a defined platform. Real Guru. I see Gaur Govinda Maharaj, from the very beginning, he set up an example of a ideal disciple. Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur said, one of the quality of Vaishnava, first is very important, is very simple at heart. Simplicity means no hypocrisy, no crookedness, politics and duplicity, all these things. Transparent inside outside. Many devotees, I remember, asked how to become sincere, how to become sincere. Ask this question. Prabhupada said, everything is there in my book. All the ideal question, ideal answer. When Gaur Govinda Maharaj once asked Prabhupada, I require some men, I don't have, and money, something. Prabhupada at once said to him, Gaur Govinda, listen, when I went to America, I have got anything? I have got manpower. So if you are sincere at heart, Prabhupada once said, saying, just like a simple child sometimes cry, wherever may be his father or mother, wherever may be comes, so he simply cry for Krishna, chanting. Maharaj is saying here, chant pure name and go back to Godhead. Now here you also we chant sincerely, Hoi Nandatundja Kinkarang Patitam Mam Vishame Bhavam Buddho. I am fallen in the ocean of material existence. I am helpless. Now are we crying? And I see what Prabhupada said to Gaur Govinda personal instruction, and everything is manifesting gradually. So we should, if you have got implicit faith, and Gaur Govinda Maharaj then accepted and went through so much odds, I have seen, have experience, because I see he is the embodiment, living how Exactly what Guru says. Going through so many obstacles. Guru means heavy. Whatever you may say, Guru what he says, you take it, do it. With faith. Jasya Devi Parabhakti. So it says, one must get implicit, akhanda vishwas in the words of God. This is infallible. What God said will definitely happen, but do you have faith? As much as faith, that much same in the faith of what Guru said. And he did, and it is manifesting. He must be saying, he is still here for his disciple. I think I am also in one sense, you can say like that. Though externally I am brother, I come here to learn. See Maharaj how he is living. And he did it. He is an ideal disciple, so he is Guru, he is ideal Guru, no doubt. We don't want to be hypocrite, straight I will tell. I find Maharaj is something unique among Prabhupada's disciples. Another is Swarup Damodar Maharaj. And both of them have got little affection, at a personal level I am saying, for me. And I really relish it, and still now I feel, they are there in their instruction. Please, those who really love him, think he is our well-wisher, let us follow his instruction and achieve our goal, back to Godhead, and associate with the Lord, with all our ISKCON devotees. As I remember, Maharaj used to say, don't say Nitya Lila Pavishto. He is always there. Why is Nitya Lila Pavishto? He is still here. I feel, I agree with him. I have firm faith that if, as I feel, my Guru Maharaj's order, as much as we sincerely follow, we will have experience. He is with us. He is not gone. He is gone always here. That is why he is called inconceivable. A Gaur Govind Maharaj here is saying, this is inconceivable. What I saw. Yeah. He is saying here, when the child cries, the mother runs to him. Similarly, although Guru may be in some other part of the world, when the disciple cries, we don't cry. Trouble is, why don't we cry? Because of committing offense. He cannot cry. He cannot pretend and cry. Yeah? He cannot pretend and cry. You're crying. Although the Guru may be in some other part of the world, when the disciple cries, the Guru runs there. Guru is Karunamaya. Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu. Adhamo Janera Bundhu. Do we think Adham? Material world, everybody is, shall I say, little arrogant? Dambha, Darpo, if I have got much education, look beautiful, coming from a high birth, Bharadwaj Brahman, sorry if anybody is there. Janma, Aishwarya, Sruta, highly educated materially, gold medalist, 3 PhD subject. Janma, Aishwarya, wealthy, come from a background. Sruta, Sri, Sruta, and Sri, beautiful. All of our beautiful wife. Usually, this is Asuric. Krishna is saying, Dambha, Darpa, Abhimanascha. This takes time. Prabhupada once said, I remember, so this is a movement of building character, changing our habits. It is very, very, very difficult. But by association, we can change. Here is association, Gaur Govinda Maharaj, Prabhupada, all his instruction there, we can put in our life with body, mind and word. And we can bring change. It may take time, but if you are sincere, by their blessing, we can change our life. Shri Guru is Karunamaya. Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu, Adhama Janera Bandhu. Do we feel ourselves fallen, Adham? Another place, Chaitanya Bhagavat, I think, says, Dinere odhik daya karen Bhagavan. One who thinks himself, he is fallen, sinful, sincerely at heart. So we'll say, Adhama Janera Bandhu is friend. Krishna is also Bandhu. Krishna said, Bhuktaram Jagatapusam Sarvaloka Mahesham. Do you have firm faith? Then he is always peaceful. So we have to see whether you have got a change in life, change in character. That example is Narad Muni, who was a dacoit, and what Narad made him Balipinki Rishi. He was a hunter, he is enjoying he is shooting arrow with poison, and flapping in agony, screaming. Narad Muni took out all this, give them, comfort them with fresh water, cold water, take out, and let them go. And that person, by the association of Narad Muni, he and his wife, later on, Narad Muni came to see, and Narad Muni's friend said, you are like a Parasmuni, you change completely. As a hunter, enjoying, some is suffering, he enjoys seeing this. Now, he does not hurt knowingly an ant. This is Guru. This is changing. That we see Prabhupada change the life of so many. Persons have got bad habits. This is a challenging thing. That is why the spiritual master is called Guru. There is two words for one is called Guru, one is called Laghu. Guru means heavy. He will ask you something, you will find difficult. Ore Baba, how difficult. Prabhupada told one of his disciples, at that time there is war going on, all the Hindu running away. He said, can you go there? And he didn't say anything. Later on, when he thinks he can go, he is going. Go later. And going there then and there, one should follow then and there what Guru said. That is his business is to carry out order, and Guru's business is to see how he can do. He will arrange. He will empower. Guru Gobind Maharaj has got that faith. We should cultivate that faith, what Guru Gobind Maharaj do. Though it is difficult, that is Sat Shishya. Sadguru, Sat Shishya. And Vaishnava means must be simple. Many things, how can be simple in this material? People will cheat. Guru Gobind Maharaj explained that thing. I don't remember. All these things, Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur used to say, Vaishnava means very simple. Simplicity is Vaishnava. So, whatever is coming, I am telling. So, these things are very important, as Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says. Sakshat Horite Samasta Sastroi. He is Sakshat Hori, almost Hori himself. Uktasya tata bhavateva sadvi. Kintu Prabhuja, but he is but he is very confidential. Kintu Prabhuja piyaiva tasya. Another said, Namong Vishnu Padaya, we say, Pranam Mantra, Krishna Prestha, that means dearest of Krishna. Very, very dear. Confidential associate. So, we should have, this is the key to success. If you have faith in the word of Guru, then your life is successful, without doubt. Without doubt. That is Prabhupada is saying. Krishna, which I said, key to success. Prabhupada. Jashadev Prabhupada, one place Prabhupada said, this is the key to success. Time is running out. Even if there appears to be some discrepancy according to an imperfect devotee's estimation towards Guru, the devotee should be fixed in conviction, firm faith, that even if the spiritual master goes to a liquor shop, there is a saying, even I see that Lord Nityananda has entered a liquor shop, I shall not be diverted from my conclusion that Nityananda Rai is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So one should have think, Krishna is so kind that he is always with us as friend, Sridham Sarva Bhutanam. So Guru is also Sweet. If we can learn to treat him with our friendly love and affection, the reciprocation is permanent, nitya, and that is the highest success of human form of life. Prabhupada, Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. And Guru, a disciple's duty is to repeat, may not be exactly same like a parrot, but same thing. I feel Prabhupada sometime one day asked me, why you read other books? I remain silent. First read my book, digest it. Everything is there, what I learned from my Guru. Maybe in a different way. So exactly like that, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, sometimes I see Maharaj is telling many things, like Bhaktisiddhanta Thakur used to say. I used to read because still this is very powerful, I feel. So Maharaj I have seen when he is preaching, simply think he is emphatic. The way he is speaking is very convincing. So this is necessary. Faith. One should have, if one can have this sort of faith, as one should have in the words of God, which is infallible, definitely happen. The faith on exactly same we should have put faith in Guru's word. And he will take care of everything. And that is the success.